let's solve this together. It says a plus b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 10. We are about to solve for the value of a minus b. Okay. Now, the first thing you can do here is to call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So you can say equation 1 from equation 1 or from, let's say from equation 2. Okay, from equation 2, we're going to have that a is equal to 10 over b. Hence, when we put a as 10 over b in equation 1, we're going to have 10 over b plus b is equal to 10. Let's multiply each term here by b. We have 10 times 10 over b is 10 plus b times b is b squared. So we're equal to 10 times b, which is 10b. Now you have b squared, okay, plus or minus 10b plus 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation now. We're going to solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, okay? So we have minus times minus 10 is minus into minus 10 plus or minus square root of, this is minus 10 squared is 100 minus 4 times 10 is 40 times 1 is 40, okay, divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. This is equal to b. Now b here will now be equal to minus times minus is plus, so we have 10 plus or minus root of 60 divided by 2, which is now equal to 10 plus or minus root of 60 is 15 times 4, so we have 15 times root of 4 divided by 2. Now moving on from here, we're going to have that our b will be equal to 10 plus or minus root of 4 is 2 root 15 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 plus or minus root 15. So we equal to our b. Now recall that we said that a is equal to 10 over b. So applying a as 10 over b here, we have when b is, okay, so we say when b is equal to 5 plus root of 15, we have that a will be equal to 10 divided by 5 plus root of 15. Looking at this closely, you see that root is in the denominator, okay? Because there is a square root sign in the denominator, we want to make the denominator rational. We want to remove the square root of sign from the denominator. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. So we have 5 minus root of 15 multiplying the numerator. The denominator multiplied by 5 minus root of 15. Okay? Now we have that this is equal to 10 into 5 minus root of 15 divided by 5 plus root of 15 multiplied by 5 minus root of 15 is the difference of 2 squares. So we have that this with 5 squared is 25 minus root of 15 squared is 15. Okay, to be equal to a. Now moving on from here, we now have that this is 10 into 5 minus root of 15 divided by 25 minus 15 is 10. 10 strikes 10, so that we are left with a to be equal to 5 minus root of 15 when b is equal to 5 plus root of 15. Hence, when we have b, when we have b to be equal to, because the second value for b was 5 minus root of 15, a should now be equal to 5 plus root of 15. Okay, this now becomes the final answer for these given variables. But recall that we have to find a minus b. So let's say the first condition now. So we said why a is this, b is this. So for a1, let's go to a1 and a2. So for a1, b1, okay, we have that we said we find a minus b. So we said a1 minus b1, okay, is our first answer. So we have 5 minus root of 15 minus 5 plus root of 15. This is equal to 5 minus root of 15 minus 5 minus root of 15. 5 will take 5, so that we have this to be equal to negative 2 root 15. Okay, so this is a1 minus b1. For a2 minus b2, Okay, I'll do this one faster. We have 5 plus root of 15 minus into 5 minus root of 15. Minus times 5 is minus 5. Minus times this is plus, so we have minus here and plus here. 5 minus 5 is 0. 15 root of 15 plus root of 15 is 2 times root of 15. Okay, so these now become the answer to the question we asked. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.